Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy trick for Google Sheets, how to create a space between lines or skip a line right inside a cell. This is something that can make your data sheets look way more organized and easier to read, especially if you're working with things like addresses, lists, or even just making notes clearer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to break up text within a single cell and give your spreadsheets that professional, polished touch. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your Google Sheet and head over to the cell with the text where you want to add some extra space. Maybe it's someone's contact information, or maybe you just want to separate a couple of points for clarity. A lot of people try to just hit enter to get to the next line, expecting it to work like Microsoft Word, but in Google Sheets, hitting enter will actually move you down to the next cell, not create a new line inside the same cell. So if you've tried that and found yourself getting a little frustrated, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Here, where the magic comes in, there's a simple keyboard shortcut that lets you add a line break right there inside the cell. If you're using Windows, just click into the cell where you want to skip a line, then hit Alt and Enter at the same time. If you're on a Mac, it's a little different. You'll use either Command plus Return or Option plus Enter, depending on your keyboard. Just remember, you should be in the cell editing mode. That means you've double-clicked the cell or pressed F2 so that you see a blinking cursor inside the text. Now go ahead and position your cursor exactly where you want that blank line. Let's say you're entering an address and you want to keep the street address on the first line and the city and zip code on the next. Simply pop your cursor between them and use the shortcut. You'll immediately see the cursor drop down, creating an extra line right there in your cell. This doesn't add an entirely blank row to your sheet, just that neat little bit of extra space within one cell. It's like hitting Return in a Word document, but you never lose your place in your table. Take a moment to add as many line breaks as you'd like. Each time you hit that shortcut, you'll get another new line. So if you need more space to separate lists, paragraphs, or just want to visually break up content, this is the way to do it. If it doesn't work the first time, double-check you're actually editing inside the cell, not just selecting it. That's a common place to trip up, and it trips up even long-time spreadsheet users from time to time. And that's honestly all there is to it. It seems like just a small adjustment, but being able to control the layout of your text in Google Sheets can save you from a world of formatting headaches. If you found this tip useful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Got any questions, or are there other Google Sheets tricks you want to learn? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more easy tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.